Hi everyone, today's video I'll show you how to make pumpkin chapati. Watch step by step. First I'll start by peeling off the pumpkin skin, then I'll cut them into pieces and I will boil the pumpkin. It's time to mash it until they are soft. Now I'll start by adding 2 cups of water, 2.5 spoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, quarter cup of olive oil and mix everything together. After mix everything together, now it's time to add the flour. Add your flour little by little until the dough doesn't stick into the bowl. And I use selector. You can see I already put the kind of the flour that I use. In case you wanna cook chapati and you just wondering which kind of flour that you like to use. I use selector. I have been using selector for a long time and never disappoint me. That's why I like to use this flour. So after you mix your flour, I have to cover my dough with a plastic wall. Then on top, I have to cover again with a towel. The reason why I leave the dough to rest for 1 hour is because I want by the time I start cooking chapati, it will be soft after 1 hour. This is how it looks like after 1 hour. You can see my dough is soft and ready to start the process. I will start by cutting the dough into pieces and also start rolling them and put them aside. In this process, I have to cut them in the pieces and put them aside so that I can know how many chapati I will be cooking. In part 2, I will roll the dough and add the oil in the middle. Then roll it again and put aside, and then I will roll it and repeat the same process until I finish. Then in this point, I'm going to roll the dough and cook them at the same time. But before I cook, I have to make sure the pan is hot and is ready to cook. Now I can start adding the chapati one by one. Cook them both sides until they are gold both sides. I will repeat the same process until I finish. You can have chapati with any kind of the food you would like. For me, I will have my chapati with the beef stew and a small rice. That will be my dinner. When you are cooking chapati, make sure that you don't add the oil. When you begin, you have to cook both sides to be gold in color in both sides before you start adding the oil. And then when you add the oil, you don't make chapati to stay for long inside the fire, inside the pan. So you have to make sure that you take your chapati as soon as possible so that you're not gonna burn them. In this point, I was already cooked my beef stew. My beef stew was ready, and it's only the chapati. So after I finished cook my chapati, my dinner was ready. So the only thing was remaining is to serve my dinner. And you can see that was my stew and a small rice and half of chapati. You see? They were so nice. Thank you for watching.